Hey everyone, so let's start by saying it's been a long friggin' time. So I don't know where to start now because I've done my I'm back and I'm better video. I've had a few videos after that and then I disappeared on you guys again. So today we're not going to go into the story about that because today you guys clicked on this video to watch my updated room tour, which we're going to get into really shortly. But I just wanted to give an introduction quickly and to let you guys know that I'm back, and eventually I will have a video up about why I've been gone for so long and my reasonings behind it. But for today, let's just focus on the good. Start off with a good video for getting back into the groove, and we'll focus about the bad stuff later. We're just going to do a quick little update because I know you guys probably have lots of questions. So recently I posted on my Twitter and my Instagram, which is both Sara XOXO 2000 if you guys want to go follow, or if you haven't checked it out in a while. Video ideas, and some of the requests were a Q&A, and I got questions from you guys, and I promise you that will be up soon because I know you guys have lots of questions. I'm gonna do an update of what's on my phone, a lot of updates because I know I need to update you guys with everything. I'm just gonna do some quick little facts and then we're gonna get into the video. So I'm gonna first off start by saying how I am now in college. So I did graduate high school in June 2018, and now I am attending college for pre-health program to get into paramedic next year because this has been my dream job for so long, and I'm so excited to start my career as a paramedic, even though it's still further away. But it's just something I'm really passionate about. I'm enjoying school. I'm doing my sciences, my math, my English, just taking my steps to get there to be a paramedic. So that's my first update, and just so you guys know, I am going to do a college tour, so let me know if you guys want that down below. So I'm there, I drive, I'm staying at home, so that's why we're gonna do a room tour of my room here. I got a kitten. I think that's new from when I've uploaded for you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys her. So this is Ginger. She's pretty cute. I don't even know how to pronounce what type of cat she is, but this is Ginger. Just thought I'd show you guys her because you guys have seen Oscar, my French bulldog. It's the newest addition to the family, and you guys will see her around here and then. So that's Ginger. Next, I got some new glasses. I'm going to show you guys. It's going to be like a 3, 2, 1, put them on, and then they're going to come off. I've been wearing them. You're going to see them in my videos, but today was like the first day in 2 weeks that I wore contacts, so we're going to go like this. This is what they look like. You see the nice little blare right there, but they're just these, I don't even know what brand they are. They're like this, from Barcelona, so they're pretty cool. I like them. You guys will see them, and I can't see right now because I have my contacts in and my glasses, so it's way too strong. So yeah, cat, glasses, school, it's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video, and let's just go ahead and get started with the room. And a quick, by the way, why you may be wondering why I'm starting off the first video back with a room tour, it's because you guys haven't seen this room fully. It's nothing special, but you guys have requested it, and I've moved into a new house since the last time I've done a room tour. This one's bigger. I got some new furniture, some new things, so thought you guys would be interested in seeing, and that's why I'm doing this video. So let's just get started. Since I showed my cat, here's my dog. Alright, so this is when you first walk in from my house. You just come up these stairs. There's a living room over here, just kind of a resting area. You go down this hall, and we got my bathroom, a spare bedroom, and then this is my room right here. So when you first walk in, this is just kind of what it looks like. I know you're gonna say my room's pretty childish, but I like it because you guys know me and my Disney. So right behind my door is just this jean jacket that I recently bought from Topshop, and then I have my Guess backpack. This is just a tiny one for when I'm going out with friends or just going out for the day shopping. It's just easy. You put your wallet in it and it holds stuff instead of carrying a purse, obviously. Back here I just got a hat, and then right here is just a mirror that I still haven't put up, which I should probably do, but anyways. Right here's just my school backpack, so in it I just have my binder, a planner, and I keep my wallet in it when I'm going to school because at college you don't really use books, you mainly put everything on your laptop. So this is pretty new. This is my desk. I finally got one for schoolwork because I was always doing my homework on my bed. Up here I just got a Stitch poster that looks like this, and then up there I just have an Hakuna Matata sign. Like I said, Disney. And yeah, that's pretty much that. So right here I just have this lamp. I got it from Walmart. It's like this. It's pretty cool. It looks like, I don't know, it's a cool lamp. I think it just matches the theme of my room. It's black. So that looks like that. Then I have this little inspirational quote over here. So it just says, do it for the fact that one day you'll be saving lives. And I got this from Palladium actually, and it just turns on like that, and it's just a cute little lamp to keep on your desk. Right here is my laptop just plugged in. Over here I got a candle, some writing utensils, pencil, stuff like that. So this is my chair. And when you open it up in here, I just have stuff that you would have at a desk, a pencil case, a little planner, stuff like that. Then in here is more like electronic stuff. So I got my hard drive, some headphones, pop socket, chargers, my old iPod, and then in there is just some other stuff. Just keep organized, and down there are my phone cases. If you guys want an updated phone case collection and an updated what's on my phone, just let me know. Over here I just have Stitch, an Elvis sign, I got Polaroid camera, my candle, and my everyday perfume. And then in here are just like drawers, like I keep my bikinis, socks, stuff like that. There's just my tripod. This is my window. It's pretty big. I like my window. It's like, goes back there, and then, oh, there's my cat. Right there. So that's what that looks like. Then I got my big ass monkey over here. Then up here I got my TV, which I want to end up eventually hanging because I don't like the way it looks just right up there on my dresser. These are just pictures from prom. Just kept in this cute little container photo thingy. Then I got my DVD player. Over here is my closet. So it's pretty messy. I don't really even want to show you. It looks like this. Nothing color coordinated or anything like that. Then down here I got some heels, some more clothes, bags. That's that. Then over here is my bed. So up there I just have kind of like a montage of like all just these different pictures, stuff like that. One Direction, because you guys know they're still my babies. You guys have seen that picture frame. I brought it from my old house. It's probably my favorite since animals are my favorite. I mean, elephants are my favorite animals. Then this is my bed. Underneath are just compartments, and I got this from IKEA. And if you guys want to have links to any of my furniture that I have, just let me know and I will post it down below. And then this right here is just my tower for my stereo. It's pretty good. It's pretty loud. Just put my phone on it, and then on each side of the beds are just different little compartments. So over here I just have random stuff that looks messy and I'm not even going to show you guys. That's just my laundry bin, and then over here I got just some movies, some stuff kept in there, and then more DVDs down there. And then like I said, on this side of the bed we got the two different compartments. Alright, so that was it for my room tour. I know it's pretty small and tiny, but I like my room. It's cute. It does the job, I guess, and I'm gonna keep decorating it more and making it more fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below video ideas that you guys want to see, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!